is highly likely, due to the large amount of evidence, that the decrease in death from cancer here in Hungary may be the result of the Hungarian leading Avemar research program, announced participants of the program to the international press here in Budapest. More than 100 scientists, among them cancer researchers, oncologists, pharmacists, biochemists, molecular biologists, immunologists, and chemists, 250 altogether from all over the world, have taken up arms against one of the world's most dangerous diseases, the result of which is a special nutrient for sufferers of malignant tumor, Avemar. But what is Avemar?
Avemar is a chemical compound which may enhance the immune system on the one hand, mainly working on natural immune aspect, which is called natural killer cell, and at the same time it induces apoptosis, which is death in cancer cells. In addition, it affects the immune system by secreting or increasing the secretion of several cytokines. Therefore, it helps in preventing metastatic spread in patients with different solid cancers. It comes from a wheat germ. We know that natural compounds are very effective.
What gave the idea to the leader of the Avemar research program to deal with wheat germ?
Originally, it comes from the ideas from the late last writings and thoughts of Professor Albert Szent-Györgyi. He was a Nobel Prize winner, Hungarian biochemist who discovered vitamin C and became very famous. And originally that some bioquinones can affect cancer. It was originally his idea. And I wanted to produce natural concentrate, a natural extract which contains in a large quantity of such kind of quinones. And this is how the Avemar research started.
That's how the research program, which became very successful, started. But let's see, what are the most important effects of Avemar? When applied alone, Avemar significantly inhibited tumor spread, and when applied alongside with cytostatic treatment, it synergistically inhibited metastasis formation. Therefore, Avemar is not one of the alternative cancer treatment modalities. Avemar significantly increased progression-free survival of cancer patients. It greatly inhibited the formation of metastasis and recurrency of the disease. When administered to last-stage cancer patients, Avemar significantly increased overall survival compared to controls. While preparation also ameliorated the side effects of chemotherapy, it did not reduce the effectivity of cytostatic drugs. Quality of life, performance status, general physical condition of patients were also significantly improved. Avemar, as it can be expected from a biologically complex extract, shows multiple biological action. The activities of Avemar can be classified as immunological, antimetastatic, cytotoxic, metabolic, and inhibition of signal transduction. The mechanism of these activities are not mutually exclusive and are sometimes overlapping. The downregulation of MHC class I molecules on the membrane surface of the tumor cells increases the natural killer cell activity against the neoplastic cells. Avemar also significantly increases the anti-cancer activity of macrophages. And what's more, in some autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, systematic lupus erythematosus, Avemar significantly decreased autoantibody formation and significantly improved the clinical status of the patients. This provides the proof that Hungarian researchers are able to engage in battle successfully against cancer with the support of international research centers such as the University of California, as well as the University of Sheffield and Tel Aviv, the world-famous Hadash Hospital, the Moscow-based Blohin Oncology Institute, and the Jena University of Medicine.
If it will be shown by evidence-based medicine, double-blind study, I believe that it will be approved by authorities both in the United States, in England, in other Western countries, because of the easiness of intake and the fact that it can help in different stages of cancer metastasis and relatively cheap price, I don't see any reason why it will not be taken very easily, and especially that you don't need even a physician prescription. You just go to the either pharmacy or shop and buy it. So once evidence that it shows effectively, there is no reason why it will not be worldwide spread use. We don't have any evidence that it cures cancer, but definitely it improves the condition of the patients. So I don't believe right now that it will cause a disappearance or vanish of the cancer, but it will increase study and research of the compounds, and it might lead to additional compounds which may be the cure that we are waiting for cancer.